So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the So Darn Easy Forex University. Alright, so by now, most of you should know that my name is Yusef Scott, and I'm the founder of the So Darn Easy Forex University, formerly known as the So Darn Easy Forex Movement. Alright, and as I always tell you guys, very thankful to have you guys here. I realize you guys to be on someone else's channel, you guys to be doing something totally different, but you're watching this video right now, and I must thank you. Alright, very thankful to have you guys here. I realize that you guys are here because there's value that I put out, there's value, and you know, that's the reason why you guys are here. Alright, you wouldn't waste your time on this channel if you didn't find that there was something that you could benefit from, okay? So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for being here once again. I'm bringing this video to you guys today to enlighten you guys of a new series that we're going to be starting on this Thursday, all right? I believe that in a previous video, if you guys are following me on social media or maybe here on YouTube, and if you're not following me here on YouTube, definitely follow me here on YouTube. But in a previous video, I told you guys that we were going to start our support and resistance crash course on this Thursday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, now I just want to let you guys know that a lot of people like myself, when I first got started with trading Forex, I was very intimidated of trading. I was very intimidated of finding support and resistance levels. All right, my focus was always looking at the candles and not so much plotting on the levels. But I want to tell you guys something. Levels are so important in the market. Okay, they are so important. You have to know levels in the market in order to really achieve the greatness, or let's say a great level of success. All right, know this, and I'll leave you guys with two things. The market is only going up to a resistance level and is only going down to a support level, the bottom, the floor. All right, anything that's built needs to have a solid structure, foundation. All right, you think about construction, that's so true. All right, anything that goes up, you guys know the laws. Anything that goes up, it must come back down. All right, in this dear game of trading Forex, the market is never doing nothing new under the sun. It's always the same thing under the same sun. All right, the market is always doing the same thing. It's always moving about the same way. It's just a new day, and new folks look at the market with different perspectives. So when you start to look at the market, you start to see the market for what it really is, you'll realize that, hey, listen, if you realize certain things about the market, like the market is only going up to a resistance level and only going down to a support level, it's all about you finding that great place to enter in on the market. Finding and realizing the candles, the formations of the actual formation of the candle, being able to determine and decipher what type of formation or setup is telling you the market is going to go up or it's going to go down. All right, and that's something that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do on this Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, in our support and resistance crash course. All right, so listen, you guys know already that we have a promotion going on, and there's no telling when this promotion is going to be off. So I want you guys to get signed up. There's no pressure here. I don't pressure people to join. It's up to you. If you find a value here with what I'm telling you, of what I have, then you join. If you don't, then you have to keep it moving, because we all have to follow a certain path. And once you realize, one day you're going to realize, say, oh gosh, I wasted so much time doing this, that, and the third. I haven't gotten nowhere but where I've been all this time. All right, I'm giving you guys the game for a little small price. Either you're going to take the game, you're going to receive the game, or you're going to walk past it and look back and live in regret. You guys know what time it is. Get signed up now. There's no pressure. Only if you want it. The time is now. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.